A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and studying hard at home. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, that is adverbs, on page number 37. So, as we know, adverbs are also one of the 8 parts of speech, right? Adverbs are one of the 8 parts of speech. We have discussed about noun, pronoun, adjective, and now we are going to discuss adverbs. Okay, now what are they? Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about adverbs, their its definition, and the different types of adverbs, okay, kinds of adverbs, and formation of adverbs, like how can we form adverbs from other words, okay, then comparison of adverbs, and position of adverbs, where it places, right, and comparison with the other words, and how can we compare adverbs, right? So all these things we are going to learn. So let's start with the definition first. Okay, we know that an adverb is a word that qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, so an adverb is a word that qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. When you get a sentence, you get a word which is modifying or qualifying or telling something about the verb or an adjective or another adverb. Then the word will be known as adverb. Okay, the word which modifies or qualifies or gives more information, okay, extra information about a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay, for example, he ran fast. Here the word fast is describing the action, that is verb. The verb is the action word of the sentence, no? Then ran is the action word verb, and the word fast is describing or qualifying or modifying the verb ran. That is why it is an adverb. Okay, it is an adverb. In the second sentence, look at it, modifies the verb ran. The word first modifies the ran, verb ran. Okay, ran is modified by the words fast. It is giving more information. He ran fast. How does he ran? How did he ran? How did he run? He ran fast. So the word fast is modifying the verb ran. Okay, and that is why it is an adverb. In the second sentence, the apple was very sweet. Okay, so the word very is modifying the word sweet. Okay, how much sweet? Very sweet. Okay, the apple was very sweet. It is giving more information about the adjective sweet. Sweet is an adjective word. No, it is giving a quality. Okay, so the word very is modifying the adjective sweet, and that is why it is an adverb. Modifies the adjective sweet. Here the word very is modifying the word adjective sweet, and that is why the word very is an adverb. Okay, in the third sentence, he walked rather slowly. He walked rather slowly. Here the action word is walked, okay, and walked, and the word slowly is the adverb. Okay, how does he walk? How did he walk? He walked slowly. And when you say rather slowly, then it is the word rather is defining or modifying the adverb slowly. Okay, here slowly is an adverb. Okay, it because slowly is modifying the verb noun, and when the word that modifies a noun, the word that modifies a verb is known as adverb. Okay, the word slowly is modifying the verb walked, and that is why it is an adverb. And the word rather is modifying the word slowly, which is an adverb, and that is why rather is also an adverb. Okay, here rather is modifying the adverb slowly, modifies the adverb slowly. The slowly is itself an adverb, and rather is also adverb because it is modifying the adverb slowly. Okay, so the word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or an adverb is known as adverb. Okay, now kinds of adverbs. After After understanding that, the adverbs are the words which give us more information or which modifies or qualifies a verb, adjective or an adverb is known as adverb. Now we are going to know about the different kinds of adverbs. So first kind of adverb is adverbs of manner. Okay, so what is an adverb of manner? Look at this. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action takes place. Okay, so adverbs of manner tells us we know that how an action is taking place by the word adverbs of manner, which is an adverbs of manner. Okay, adverbs of manner tell us about how an action takes place. How is it taking place? Okay, for example, he laughed loudly. How did the action take place? The action took place loudly. Okay, मतलब ये काम कैसे होता है, कैसे, किस तरह. So the answer to that किस तरह और कैसे is the adverb of manner. Okay, so the way in which an action take place is known as adverb of manner. He laughed loudly. वो कैसे हंसा? He laughed loudly. So word loudly is the adverb of manner. Okay, for more example, like he writes neatly. Okay, or he fought the battle bravely. Okay, so these types of words which show the manner of the action, how does an action takes place, is known as adverb of manner. Okay, next one is adverbs of place. So adverbs of place tell us where an action takes place. Okay, so adverbs of place, adverb of place tell us about where the destination, where the action takes place, कहाँ हो रहा है. Okay, कैसे हो रहा है is adverb of manner, and कहाँ हो रहा है is adverb of place. Okay, like I lived here. So the word here is the adverb of place that tells us about the place where the action is taking place, right? जहाँ पे ये काम हो रहा है is the adverb of place. Like the bird flew away, our principal has gone out. Okay, these words are known as adverb of place. So after that, adverbs of time, okay, tell us when an action takes place. When an action takes place. Okay, कब हो रहा है, कब. Okay, the time. So the adverbs of time tell us about the when, the time of the action. Okay, कब हुआ ये action, कोई काम कब हुआ है उसका टाइम बताता है adverbs of time. Okay, it tells us about the time when the action took place. I have done this before. I have done this before. Okay, मैंने पहले ही कर लिया था. I met her today. Okay, so these are telling about the word today, and before are telling us about the time of the action. No, and that is why they are known as adverbs of time. Next is adverbs of frequency. Now adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action occurs. Okay, कितनी बार होता है. Okay, so this adverbs of frequency tell us about that an action takes place, how many times an action takes place, or in what frequency. Okay, कब या कब होता है ये सब ये काम, कोई एक्शन. Okay, for example, I fell down twice. I fell down twice. 2 बार. Okay, कितनी बार? 2 बार. So this is telling us about the frequency of the thing. Okay, कितनी बार. Like he always works sincerely. कब हमेशा वो काम sincerely करता है. He always works sincerely. So the word sincerely, always, the word always. Okay, the word always, the word twice, these types of word are known as adverbs of frequency. Like my father reads newspaper every day. So every day is telling us about the frequency of the thing. Like every day, हमेशा होता है, daily होता है. Okay, so this is telling us about the frequency, कितनी बार होता है. Okay, so how often an action takes place, कितनी बार या कब. Okay, how often, in what interval an action takes place. Okay, so this is known as adverbs of frequency. Next one is adverbs of degree. So adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent of an action or a quality. Okay, adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity, okay, or the degree of an action or quality. Means that when you are telling about an adverb which is telling about the quantity, okay, that tells about the intensity or degree of an action. Matlab the quantity, like what, in what amount. Okay, it tells us about the degree. Like I was very sick. So very is telling about the quantity, you can say, or degree. Okay, and or the quality. Okay, very sick, not a little. Okay, it is so this word very is the adverb of degree. You can get more example like I am so satisfied, I am so happy. So this word so is telling us about the intensity, right? कितना ज्यादा खुश हैं और कितना कम, कितना ज्यादा. Okay, it tells about the quantity, you can say, or degree. Okay, in which state, what is the status of that adverb, or the extent, right, or the quality, you can say. So these words like it is absolutely free, your statements is absolutely true. So this word absolutely is also adverb of degree. Okay, this is telling about the quality or extent or degree, right, or the intensity of the verb. So it is the intensity or degree of an action, right? So these are the words which are like so, absolutely, very. Okay, these words are known as adverbs of degree. Next one is adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason state a reason. They means when you read a sentence, you will find a reason for an action. Okay, and this is the adverbs of reason. They answer the question why. Means when you ask a question why to yourself after reading the sentence, then the answer you will get is the adverbs of reason. Like he received a call from his father, therefore he left. So when you ask a question why did he left, okay, so therefore he left. He received a call from his father, therefore he left. So the word therefore is the adverbs of reason. Okay, so these types of words like he was not in a good mood, hence he opted out of the party. Okay, so the word hence, therefore, okay, so these types of words which tell us about a reason of an action is known as adverbs of reason. Okay, next one is adverbs that are used in asking question are called interrogative adverbs. Now interrogative adverbs are those words which are used to ask questions. Okay, like for example, where is Meera? Here the word where is the interrogative adverb. Okay, the word where is interrogative adverb because it is used to ask question. It is the interrogative adverb of place because it is telling about when do we use where? Where, WHERE, where is used for a place. No, where is Meera? Kahan hai? It is asking about a place. So it is known as interrogative adverb of place. Okay, next is when did the train leave? So we use when about time, no? When we need to ask about time, then we use the word when, asking about time. So when did the train leave? Which time? Okay, so this is known as interrogative adverb of time. Okay, interrogative adverb of time. This is an interrogative adverb. Which type of interrogative adverb? Interrogative adverb of time. Next one is why did you cry? Why did you cry? This is asking a reason. No, we ask why to know about some reason, right? Why is used for asking reasons. So the word why is interrogative adverb of reason. Okay, this is an interrogative adverb of reason. How did you manage this? So we ask how to know about a thing, like kaise, how, in which manner. So how is used to ask about a manner. Which manner? How. Okay, so this is the interrogative adverb of manner because it is used to ask manner of a action. How. Okay, so this is the interrogative adverb of manner. So these are the words which are used to ask questions, and the adverbs which are used to ask question are known as interrogative adverbs. Now we have completed the different types of adverbs, and after that we are going to learn about the formation of adverbs. Okay, how can we form adverb, how adverbs are formed, adverbs words are formed. Adverbs are formed from adjectives in the following ways. Okay, we can make an adjective, turn an adjective into an adverb by the following ways. Like, most adjectives add ly to form adverbs. When you add ly to an adjective, then it will become an adverb. But how? Like, for examples, the word loud is an adjective, and when you add ly, it becomes loudly, which is an adverb. Okay, so the adjective turns into adverb by adding ly. Then quick is an adjective, and when you add ly, it becomes quickly, which is an adverb. Okay, quick adjective, quickly adverb. The adjective becomes adverb. Next, when an adjective ends in y preceded by a consonant, the y is changed to I and ly is added. That means, like, the third option, the third way of changing an adjective into adverb. So how? An adjective word, okay, an adjective ends in y. An adjective word which is ending with the word y पे खत्म होने वाली word, okay, preceded by a consonant, okay, जिसके पहले एक consonant दिखेगा तुमको, okay. The y is changed to I, then the y will be changed to I, means y will be omitted and I will be added, and ly is added, and ly is also added. For example, it will be clear, like, look at this. The word happy, the adjective is happy, which is ending with the y, ending with the letter y, no, ending with the letter y, preceded by a consonant. Preceded means y के पहले एक पहले, okay, क्या आएगा? Consonant. So y के पहले consonant है, p is a consonant, this is not a vowel, right? So ending with y and preceded by a consonant will be changed, then the y will be changed to I. y को हटा के I लिख देना है. Okay, look at this. y को हटा के I लिख दिया, and then ly is added. Look, ly is added. So y हटा के I लिखना है, then ly add करना है, then it becomes happily. Okay, so the adjective happy becomes happily adverb. Happily is an adverb, okay, and happy is an adjective. So the word adjective happy becomes adverb happily. Okay, now same, angry, angrily. The last word, the adjective angry is ending with the letter y, okay, and before that r is there, which is a consonant. So y is preceded by a consonant, so we can omit the y and add ly, right? Look at this. With the in the place of y, we can write ily, and it becomes an adverb. The adjective angry becomes adverb and angrily. Okay. The third way is, when the adjective ends in e, the e is dropped and ly is added. So when you find an adjective which ends in e पे खत्म होता है, okay, the last letter of the of an adjective word e, then we can drop the e and ly can be added. We can add ly. Look at this word. Example, true. So this, the word true, the adjective true is ending with e, no, last में e आ रहा है. So we can omit that e and add ly. Then it becomes truly, which is an adverb. Okay, the adjective true becomes adverb truly. Next one is double. So it is also ending with e. So you can drop that e and add ly, and it becomes doubly. Okay, doubly. Double is the adjective and doubly is the adverb. Okay, so in this manner you can change the adjectives into adverbs and form a adverb with the words, with the adjectives. Okay, so these are the rules which we can follow to change the adjectives into adverbs. But there's a thing to note, that not all words ending in ly are adverbs. Okay, all the words which are ending with ly are not adverbs, cannot be called adverbs. हर जो spelling ly से खत्म हो रहा है वो adverb होगा, जरूरी नहीं है. Adjectives can also end in ly. Okay, adjectives can also be some adjectives are also there which end with ly. Only adverbs don't end with ly. Adjectives can also end with ly. Okay, for example, the words friendly, lively, lonely and cowardly are adjectives. Okay, these words are adjectives, they are not adverbs. Okay, some words can be used as adverbs as well as adjectives. Look at this picture. So there are some other words which can be used as adjective and adverb as well. Okay, at the same time, the same word can be used as an adjective also and as an adverb also. Okay, so what are these words? Look at this. The adjective forms are written here. She is an early riser. Here early is an adjective. Early riser. Okay, the manner, what kind of riser is this? So is she? Then it is early riser. It is adjective form. And the she started for the airport early. Okay, here the early is telling about the action, and this is an adverb. Okay, so the word early is used in the sentence as an adverb. In the first sentence, the early was used as an adjective, and the second sentence it is used as an adverb. Here, this is a very hard nut. Here, hard is used as an adjective. And he works hard every day. Here, hard is used as an adverb because it is telling about the action. How does he work? No. And here, hard is used as a quality, like how is the nut. Okay, it is for a noun. Okay, used for a noun. And here, hard is used for a verb, and it becomes adverb. Okay, and in the here adjective, the word hard is used as an adjective. The third sentence is, this is a straight road. So the word straight is telling about the noun road, and it is an adjective. Here, go straight down that road. Here the word straight is used for the verb, and then it becomes adverb. So the same words can be used as adjective also and adverb also, but the meaning can be different in the sentences, right? So late, long, short, fast and daily are some more common words that have the same form as an adverb and an adjective. Means the words late, long, short, fast, daily, these types of words are same in both the forms. Like you can use them as an adjective and adverb, depends on the meaning of the sentence. Okay, and the form doesn't change, their look doesn't change, they remain the same, the spelling will remain same, but the meaning will change in different sentences on the basis of the use of the sentence, use of these words in the sentence. Okay, so students, here we have learned about the definition of adverbs, its different kinds, their examples and their uses, and also the formation of adverbs from adjectives. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, and the rest of the things in the chapter will be explained in the next class. So for today the class is over. Thank you.